Who is precious? I hear Samson. Precious. The Lord bless you. The Lord prosper you. I see in the spirit realm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children. Huh?
Yes.
But I saw this person, that's the father of those children. I saw a problem between both of you.
Yes.
There was no marriage.
No.
There was nothing like marriage. You just had children.
Yes.
And a lot of things happen. And God wants to. After you left him, you met another man.
Yes.
Collins.
Yes.
And 1 year, 2 years. Huh?
Yes.
1 year, 2 years.
Yes.
This one, problem.
Yes.
I want my own child. I want my own child.
Yes.
Give me my own child.
Yes.
Give me my own child.
Yes.
You had children for somebody else. Where's my own?
Yes.
And this 1 year, these 2 years.
Yes.
You just
2
quarreled
years.
and
2 years.
and
2 years.
What did I say? And problems. So you say, leave my house. Huh?
Yes.
And he's not aware that you're already pregnant. When you left the house, you went to test. You found you are pregnant.
Yes.
And he's not aware. Let me pray with you. Because even if you give birth for this one, he will still kick you out. God wants to give you your home. So God will reconcile the both of you and settle you in your home. You will see this man. Look at him at the end of the service. I will give you an instruction. You will call that man and give him the good news and tell him to call this woman back. Formalize the marriage.